Okay, let me share my screen. Terraform. Day 13, huh? Oh, like that we prepared. No problem. So MKDIR, day 12. What we need to discuss today? Days are all moving like the wind. Then good only, right? You will get job quickly. Yeah. Okay. Multi SG rules for loop SC2. Let's create this one. Okay. Sorry. Created into wrong place. Created into Kubernetes inside. So provisioners are clear? Oh, super. What about null resource? Clear? What is the difference between null resource, without null resource, with null resource? Hmm? Correct. Any other points? Hmm? Better if I ask more the things, you may drop to come offline again. Okay. Ayyo. Why it is not coming here again? So practice yourself first. If someone can ask the question, how to say the answer is very important. In 10:30 batch, okay, she's having very good knowledge. If I ask something, immediately she says the answer. Sir, this is one, this is one, this is one. And exam, the narrated exam also top second. Everything is good. She gave an interview. First round is clear. Second round almost clear. 8 lakhs package, 1.5 year experience only she put. Simple question only they ask. She know everything, but unable to say at the time. All the questions we discuss here, but she unable to say that. The reason here you are not practicing. You are practice directly in the interview only. Not like that. You know the answer, but you are unable to call out at that time. So practice in front of mirror. Every day, 2 3 questions. Okay, you know everything, but at that time, you may panic. So this kind of challenges, you need to be rectified from now only. If I ask some question, you need to say answer, but you know how to say the answer. If you're on the same stage, I know the answer, but unable to say, we can't anything. Okay. Almost we done 60%. Okay, concepts 60%. So Terraform will complete means 65%. Who this guy? Dharma. I have already shared AWS test series, Git test series. Questions there only. Those are the interview questions. If required, I'll put heading interview questions. I'm not, I'm, if I put interview questions, that is not at all good practice. That's what I'm not giving that kind of headings. This is not Inter and BTech to give interview questions, important questions. Okay. So if you are able to, some more, okay. Then I told you guys, right? I have added 57 questions. You can add more questions. If you feel the concepts are not covered, yes, please welcome, you can add. Instead of, if I give question, instead of giving answer, you can prepare one question that will gain a more knowledge. Understand? So I have shared 57 questions to cover all the topics. If you search in my concepts, which question is not covered, which topic is not covered, if anyone is trying to add the questions, they will get more knowledge despite giving the answer of the questions. Understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Try once, anyone, you can understand. I'm going to share Terraform test series in the day after tomorrow. Try once Terraform and Git. If any questions, we can add more. Try like that. You can understand the difference before and after. You can add n number of null resources. You can add n number of null resource, but trigger will be triggered the specific resource only. Understand? Okay. So I'm going to be creating one server here. How many security group rules are there here? The block is only one, right? But here, how many rules are covering? 8 rules. Clear now? You know how to work with for loop? You know, right? Okay, let me show you. For port in this list, port to port means first 22 will come, next 80 will come, next 443 will come. I'm not hard coding any value here. If you hard code 80 na, 80 only work. But I'm giving this value, variable, whatever name I'm giving as a variable, that variable I'm calling. For loop means first time this variable, again loop, this variable, again loop, because of for. If you not give for, if you give port in ports, it will take any one value only. First value may be 22. But for loop means you can take inside all the list by calling as a port. So first time 22 as a port, second time 80 as a port, third time 443 as a port, like that. So if I declare the port here means first time 22 will work, and again 80 will work, and again 443 will work, and again whatever rules you are going to give in the port number that will work. Clear now? Okay, let me take Python for loop double three schools is a website. I mean practice where we can do. This is for loop, right? Fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. For x in fruits means you are calling these fruits like a x. Print x means it will print all fruits. Why for here multiple fruits are there? Loop apple, banana, cherry. Try it myself, apple, banana, cherry. For example, if I give from port, I'm printing port. If I run, what will update here? Same or port numbers will come? Same only. Clear? Okay. If I give 22 here, if I give 80 here, 443 here. If I run now, clear now concept is? Same concept. For port in all ports, from port means what? 22. To port also 22. Next time, from port is 80, to port is 80. Next, for loop, right? 443. Next, for loop 80. Okay, all are good. But there is still some drawback here. Can anyone guess? All are good. The process, yes. Very good. Very good. What is that condition? No. My question is still in this process there is some drawback. Not a drawback. This is not 100% efficient. Still there is some issue. Huh? Hard coded value we can change. Secret group inbound rules hard coded, no problem. You can. No. See, this all ports accessible from anywhere. All sources, right? If I want to give 20 only specific service, if I want to give 80 specific service, not possible this process. Right or not? Here only the variables are port numbers, remaining are fixed one. Okay, protocol always TCP, no problem. But this source should be changed, right? At least. But here 20 is for all traffic, 80 for all traffic, all ports for all traffic or not. If I want to give 22 for specific traffic, specific person, 443 specific person, 9000 specific person is not possible this rule, right or not? In this case, you can write one more ingress for different CADR block like this also. Okay, no problem. Okay, but also we have a different methods. I will show you now each method. Okay, Terraform, focus guys. DevOps is difficult, right? DevOps on cloud is difficult, right? Still Azure is there, GCP is there. You are saying Docker Kubernetes, Grafana Prometheus. Ansible. So many tools are there, right? Without difficult, who will give the package highest pay in the market, right? If it is easy, everyone will come and take 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, then who will give? Right or not? Only if you learn Python, no jobs in the market. That you know or not, I don't know. Only take programming language, no jobs at this time in the market. I know Python very well, but no use. Python nowadays, Python is like a helping tool for process of your IT. Python is not a main tool to get a job nowadays. Even if they give job only for Python skill set, package is very less. You should learn with Python at least master in database side, master in cloud side, kind of master in the big data platform. Like that only it will work. Python in so many modules are there, big data modules and all. I know only Python basics and all means no job in the market. You can learn Python in 2 months. There is no rocket science. Now AI tools are more power. With the help of AI tool, you can write any code in the 1 week itself only. But ChatGPT's AIs, they don't give configurations for existing environment. They don't know. So yeah. Yesterday one person, 10:30 batch, name is Bhuvi. She got a job in Deloitte. 19 lakhs per annum. Every day one person is getting a job in 10:30 batch. Every day one person after completing course. So if you prepare like that, you also get a job. No doubt at all. If you compromise now, you are also one of the person to looking a job among all of the people in the Hyderabad. Are you getting a calls? I'm also not getting a calls. Same. You can share every day same thing. So only. When you think, start. Bhuvi is not a fresher. Bhuvi has 3 years experience, 4 years experience. Fresher example already shared, right? Kirtana. 300 members competition is there in the company. She went cleared alone only. Example, best example. Your batch only, 10:30 placement batch only. 2 members, Satya also. He's a singer. Right. I don't know. Second one is clear. I don't know that the HR. Common thing is only hard work. I can say only hard work. Whoever clear job, they did lot of hard work. I know very well. If I give task now, the task output only getting from these people only. If I give any task, if they're stuck somewhere, they won't slip that time. How to do this, how to do this. Like that only they can follow the mentors and me. Kind of practice they did, that's what they got a job. Okay. Now clear Terraform plan. Whoever more active in Telegram group, they are only getting a jobs. I don't know the reason. Whoever more active in Telegram group, they are getting jobs. Maybe they are informing me. That is also reason. Whoever silence in the group, maybe they got a job, they're not informing me. Right? One more reason, maybe. Yeah. Help to others. Definitely, if you give good, good will back. Understand? If you help to someone, definitely that will back to you. any form. So please help to others. If anyone is facing any issues, let me know. I will help you. Kind of messages you can share in the group. Both benefits. You can also learn something to explain to someone, and whatever help you are giving to others, they are also getting a benefit from you. Two things. Okay. Example me, 7:30 batch, 9 a.m. batch, 10:30 batch. All are different concepts, right or not? I don't know which concept I will start after open my laptop also. After came to a class, I don't know which topic I'll discuss also. Here only I will decide. The reason I'm explaining multiple times the same concept, I remember all the concepts. Understand? There is no preparation in my home. This laptop will open here and close here also. I don't have even time to open this laptop in my working hours. So if you explain some topic to someone, if the same question will come in an interview, you can easily explain. Day one onwards, I'm saying the same thing. If you are silence, means everything is silence. Interview also silence. If they ask the question, same silence. They are also asked 2-3 questions. Okay, bye. Get back you. More active guys. If you're more active, IT always, the smiling face plus confidence. These two are very important. Okay, these two are very important to get a job. Always smiley face, confident. Smiley face means not about to sleep, not about to laugh every second one. Just if they ask something, take it as a positive face. Means smiley face. And give answer like that. If you feel like a nervous, if something they're asking, they won't encourage you. See, C-header block is common or not every time? Why these many iterations here? 1, 2, how many iterations? 8. Why? Because of for loop. But every loop, if you can see, C-header is common or not? So if you recommend this in your project, your TLR manager may ask, but C-header block is same, right? Then you can again modify. For example, okay, if your TL is asking that, so you can, this is not a correct process to give all source, right? In this case, what you should do, go to ChatGPT. Yeah? Okay, not if else conditions and all. So we have a variables process, right? We can use the variables. We can do this process efficient way. Let me show you. Okay, how to type now? Which one is type now here? You should know first that concept also. To search, what to search in the chat GPT also you should know. Okay, tell me what to search now. What is the drawback here? This process is enabling for all sources. Then how to search? How to give to chat GPT? My, first you should know, right? My CIDR is allowing to all traffic. Can I manage with different CIDR for above process? Like that also you should know to ask. If you give, can you modify? If you ask like that, it will be modified 100 times under different modifications. Right or not? So as I said, yeah. See, in this case, it is following like what? Different ingress rules. Right or not? For 22, okay, what I can do for better practice, yeah, that's what I'm coming to the picture. Um, okay, example 2, I'll create here. Just please focus what I'm doing here. Example 2 for different CIDRs. Clear now? Instead, I'm creating a file main.tf. Like this we can call, right? Okay. And this is for what? Example. Okay. Let's create one more directory. Example 1. Multi inbound same area. Clear or not? Let's move this inside. Yeah. Clear what I'm trying to say now? So first one is what? Same inbound. This one. Multi inbound same CIDR. Right or not? Same CIDR. Next one is what? Each no for loop now. Just dividing ingress into like this. Okay. Clear or not? Okay. Next process is what? It will give one more process. Can you modify, can you reduce the code base? Any alternate? May it will use variables now, maybe. You can simplify code base using for each. See? Variable, a map. This time it is using a map of string. This process is what? In the default section, earlier default section we are giving only one, right? Anything. Now default section I'm giving like a multiple. Now see, ingress rule time for each where allowed ports, content is what? Allow access to port ingress key. Okay, ingress key from port ingress key to port ingress key, CIDR block where this is CIDR block. Understand? Let me add into this notepad. This is what, guys? Huh? Anyone? This entire column is what? This entire column is what? So that you can understand easily. This is key. Yeah, exactly. This is key. This is what? Value. Key name values, right? Key value pairs. This is key. If I call key means port will come or CIDR will come? Key. If I call key, port will come, CIDR will come. If I call key value, clear the concept is now? See. From port to port, ingress dot key. Key means port. CIDR block, ingress dot value. This will come. So 22, if I call, value should come this one. 80, if I call, this value should come. 8080, if I call, this value should come. Understand the process or not what I'm doing here? Like that you can learn, guys. Example 3. Multi-SG rules with key value pair. These are advanced topics, comes under advanced topics. One more question. Main.tf. I like if you guys are asking kind of questions. Guys, if I show some kind of topics, na concepts, na, you don't disappoint if you don't know. Leave it only simple. Okay. But my job is to show everything. As I said, guys, you can manage 4 to 5 years experience statement I have given in the demos, right? I should give this kind of content. If I show in the 3 classes, 4 classes, this is Terraform means I'm indirectly cheating you only. That you don't know now. Later can understand. Okay. Whatever concepts I know as a 8 years experience, same concepts I'm discussing here. What level you can take it, and remaining you can ignore it this time, no problem. You don't take any stress here. Whatever concept you are, in interview they may ask simple question, what is Terraform minute also? Even 2 years experience also. Those questions are like that only. No one will ask this kind of questions in interview. This depth. But these concepts will useful once you get a job to manage your role. Understand what I'm trying to say? Say, if you can go in your organization, if they give some task to you to manage something, you should learn now they can easily manage. My intention is not for interview, these are all. No one will ask this kind of difficult questions in interview. Okay? Yeah. Terraform. Don't apply every time. Multiple resource will create in cloud, your account may suspend. Only plan. Only plan. So 1 or 2 times only apply. Any holiday required tomorrow? No. No one is doing any fasting. Then fasting for job. Sadhguru will give a job, huh? See, this EADR block only for one port. This EADR block for 443. This EADR block for 80. This EADR block for 8080. This EADR block for 93. Understand how we are changing the things here? Let me know. Any questions from your end? Yes, I'm going to give holiday tomorrow. Okay. So I'll inform to management today itself. Take rest. You know what to do right tomorrow? Keep all books near Shiva. DevOps books, cloud books. Okay. Start praying. I need job with 2 lakhs per annum. 2 lakhs per month, sorry. Like that you can start. Okay. Ask to Shiva. Offer milk. Jagaran. Anyone is doing Jagaran? What you are talking, sir? Everyday Jagaran only with Instagram. Till 2 p.m. till 2 a.m. Sorry. I know you guys are busy with Instagram, right? Late nights. Tell me seriously. I will take your IDs and I'll check your status. Huh? First bad habit is that one only. First bad habit. The bad habit, even I also spend some cases. Not late nights, every time open Instagram and checking the reels. I also edited some of the case. The first bad habit is that one only. If someone can ask what is the first priority bad habits, no? First habit is reels. Instagram reels. You don't have Instagram account, huh? Maybe you are checking different apps. Yeah, I can understand stress. Yes, I agree too. This is also I agree too. But don't habituate, I'm saying. Yes, some cases, if your mood is not good, you are in the upset, stress, something. Yes, definitely I agree with that. Some cases I also. If I feel like a stress, something, I will open the Instagram and seeking the reels for relief, something. Stress reliever, correct. Nice DevOps memes are there, but not to habituate. Everyone, minute to minute there are some scrolling the something and all. Not good. Just some cases, daily ones, some things. That is also correct. Memory power also lost. Your focus may divert. So many drawbacks are there. Even working with laptop also not at all good. We don't know what will happen in the future, but we are doing that right. Thursday also holiday. What happened to Thursday? Okay, you can take every day holiday. Then very very rare weekdays holiday. Okay, after 6 7 months only maybe I'm giving this. After 6 to 7 months, 10:30 best they don't know weekdays holiday how it will be also. The first time I'm giving holiday in weekdays. So so half of the time spend with your family members, 1 hour with God, 1 hour with Instagram. Remaining time is practice. Saturday that is common, right? Yeah. So Terraform is very important. You are very, very, very lucky, guys, that you can understand once you do any task in your real time, how easily you can do Terraform. Still, my team, still, yesterday also my team person who is having 6 years of experience, they don't know how to create route table through Terraform. He just ping me in the Teams, I'm getting an error, please help me. He's not attaching routings, edit routes and all. 6 person experience. Now you can easily do it, right? What route table you can handle null resource and also very advanced level these and all. That's what I'm saying. My team still don't know how to work with Terraform. My colleagues, only one person know the Terraform. Still their designations are DevOps engineers. Understand the things. If I'm wrong, every day, if I'm wrong, don't rely on my words. Take these concepts. Check with any existing DevOps engineer. They may surprise first. Are you learning these concepts? We don't know it. Definitely they may say that. Definitely. You just check with this content. I'm doing this practice. They may surprise. You are learning Terraform in these days with these concepts. We don't know even. If they are if they are genuine person, they can say like that only. That's what practice it. Okay. Okay. SG rules clear, right? How to define multiple rules instead of increasing the number of code lines and code base. Even experienced people also here, right? 9 AM batch experienced people are right. See, 5 years, 6 years, they're still learning Terraform or not? They're already working as a DevOps engineer. Then still they are learning, you know, Terraform. We'll take you. Thanks. No other option. I'm so overwhelmed with work. Okay, you are busy with Hadoop and all right. Yeah. Okay, let's jump. We have only 45 minutes of time. Then go for next concept. The concept is multi-providers. Okay. MKDIR date 12. What is the use of multi-provider. This is my question to you. What is the use of multi-providers? Provider means what? Where we can define your access key, secret key, and region details. That will call from your, yes. Where we can use this multi-providers? Tell me the first, then we can go for multi-region deployment or multi-cloud. Very good. Multi-region deployment means I can create one bucket in US, I can create one bucket in Mumbai. But as you know, this block, for example, if I take this block, will create either one region only, right? Mumbai, or if you can define any provider block, there only. No, I want to create this in two regions. One service will create in one region, one service will create in another region. How to declare? Okay. Let's take again. I did a mistake here. Let's move these multi-providers into multi-providers. So multi-provider inside, I'm creating a one file. So here I'm creating a two resource blocks. One is for S3 bucket. Like this I'm giving. So what we can do, bucket details. So you can give any name. I'm not going to apply, only plan only. So resource, let's copy resource from anywhere, AWS EC2 instance and all. Control A, Control C. There is a question from Pradeep Tiwari. Sir, I got very less calls for DevOps and more on Python for Python or Python with AWS. What should I do? Focus more on Python. Depends on your experience. How much experience you have, Pradeep? 3.6. Yeah, 3.6 cloud DevOps is enough, not required for Python. Okay, I think you can share your updated resume to me so that I will check and okay, give some advice on this. Share your resume. Even I will show how to prepare a resume after Terraform. Okay, don't worry. I have shared already resume points, right? Yeah, keep it handy, those points. So once we start the discussion of resume class, you need to be add those points into resume. As I said, reframe the sentences. Don't copy paste as is. Especially projects, don't give any project name and all. Just project and mention the points. If you give project name, everyone resumes are same project names. If you guys will go for any common company, they will reject all the CVs. Okay. Don't do kind of mistakes. Let me know if you're stuck anywhere, irrespective of resume preparation and all, I will help you. Guys, if I run now, these two resources will create in which region? Default region. That is Mumbai. I mean, US. Region. US East 1, right? So if I give US East 1, this provider will work for two resources or not? Yes. But I want to create this instance in different region, this S3 in different region. How to do that? Huh? Create a one more provider. Okay, let's create a one more provider. AWS region. This time, is this correct? Same provider blocks are same, right? Provider AWS, provider AWS. For example, this resource should call this provider block. If we have any local name now, we can easily manage provider.aws.local name. Provider, please first focus. Leave about the resumes and all. We'll take care. Okay. First focus. Okay. If there is a local name concept now, I will call resource type local name and give the here. So that, but there is no local name concept in the provider. So both are conflicts or not? Then how to overcome this? We have a alias block. Clear? Alias. So here you can give any name you wish. Okay. Provider 2 or something you can give. Clear, right? Provider 2. Clear, right? So now, for example, I want to create S3 bucket into provider 2. Means AP South 1. Here we have to declare provider equal to AWS dot provider dot. That's it. So this resource block calling this provider, right? What about instance? Default. It will take default only always. But here also it will take default. But we are mentioning here, don't take default, take this one only. Clear or not? Same resource in two regions. Is it possible? Same resource in two regions. Two resource blocks are required or not? One resource block is required. One resource block or two resource blocks? Okay, let's check with the ChatGPT. Two resource blocks are good question. Can we create any method is there? Let's check. Can we create same type resource into different regions by using providers? This is common. This is possible by using alias. One resource is possible. I want to create EC2 into two different regions. So with one resource is possible. I think for loop we can use, yeah, see, for each. Understand? Like this also. First provider is US East one. Second provider is what? Mumbai. So here we are giving the variable section two regions default. Okay. If you create provider equal to each dot key equal to US East 1 and Mumbai both. If you want to give a try, you can give a try. Same resource into two different regions. But in real time, guys, we are not creating same resource to different region. Region to region stacks are different. Just I'm saying only the concept only. Okay, stacks are different region to region. We are not creating S3 in different region east. One region we are deploying everything in one region only. My, as I said, 90 accounts, right? All accounts will run on a single region only. I mean, the customer is from UK. UK region only we can deploy, not UK, Mumbai, UK, US. It's not like that. Okay. High availability mostly across agents only, not region level. Not required. Region may down, not at all possible. We discuss here topics are, they may ask an interview. That's what only. Okay, my question is, this is clear, right? How it will work. My question is, MKDIR. I think I'm spending more topics this batch only. You can check the previous one also. MKDIR, multi-source, multi-profile. Yes, my question is simple question. I want to create one resource in one account, one resource in one account. How to do that? Understand what I'm trying to say? We have a scenarios I'm explaining only. Where we can use means I don't know when the requirement will come, maybe we can use. But maybe if they ask an interview, there are chances to ask the interview. So by using Terraform, I want to create one resource in one account, one resource in one account. How to handle? Tell me now. How to handle this situation? Yeah. Multi-profile. Okay, you tell me first. I want to create two resources. One is in one account, one is in one account. How to do this? Normally you can without Terraform. Log into accounts, right? Log into accounts and create. How to do this process through CLI? Understand my question is no? How to do this process through CLI? Console means you can go directly on OpenSea. Very good. Access key, secret key. Two different accounts. While configure time, how to configure? In your laptop, two different accounts, how to configure? Very good. Profile. I already discussed, right? AWS configure hyphen profile. If you can give, your keys will be stored into different profile names. If you not mention profile, what will happen? Keys will be override always default keys. AWS configure, if you run two times, na, second keys will be override first keys. Instead of override, if you can give AWS configure hyphen profile, that will create a different name inside your .aws. Okay, let me show you my .aws. Credentials. If I open a credentials, how many credentials are there here? See, three credentials are there, right or not? So for example, if I open config, see here also different configurations are there. So what I'm trying to say here, so like this, okay, in the previous class I configured. If anyone give your account, I can configure access key, secret key. Okay, so I can create the resource in your account also from the same Terraform. Understand? But how to call profile name? Clear or not? How to call profile name? Where it is? Maybe here. Okay, we can take the multi-account. Yeah, multi-account. See? Okay. Yeah. Clear now? The concept is no? Copy. So provider block. In this case, I should create variables.tf and let's go to the main.tf. Copy. Clear or not now? So here, var.aws profile. Let's go to the variable. Here my profile is what here? Default is RK. Okay. Profile default is RK. This is what region. So here the profile you should give while configure time in your end. So my end user one is there, Shruti there, default is there, right? I can use user one account means user one account keys. I should give here user one. So it will fetch user one keys. What about region? You can mention any region. This is per region. This is per profile. Default means default keys. Clear or not? For example, if you can give access key, secret key, how to configure AWS configure. If you give this request will go directly default, but hyphen profile, if I give test, these keys will be stored. Just I'm giving some different keys. Region AP South 1 JSON. Clear now? Let's go and check now. Test keys created or not? Keys are wrong, right? By the way, just understanding process, I'm saying that. See, if I want to create this account into test account, what should I do here? Give test. Clear now? Like that we can handle. So this is multi-account. So key name and all, if everything is correct, this will work. Clear? What about multi-cloud? Same process, profile only, right? Multi-cloud also, you can take different providers. So you can give the multi-cloud access also. But multi-account, we are not using multi-cloud. Why we can use in the Terraform? Just I'm saying the concepts only. Clear? You can take any resource block, not only this thing, you can take any resource block. Okay, this bucket will create into this account profile only. The access key secret key. So I'm not going to give any task for you. So tomorrow, just you can practice day 1 to day 12 if you skip anything so far. Okay. If you lag somewhere any day, you can practice. Almost done. 2-3 classes are there. We'll discuss. Okay. If I take more classes, you may stuck here there to practice. If I give more tasks, data source, dependency block, I'm running behind in classes. Then you can practice. Not official day, sir. Please, it's my class only. You don't mention Naresh Shetty holiday tomorrow. They will call me tomorrow morning. Okay, you can mention I'm leave tomorrow. Better. Not leave. Not holiday. Leave. I'm leave tomorrow. Okay. The problem is you guys are staying the same masters, right? You say Naresh Shetty holiday. The person will call to data science faculty. Tomorrow is holiday. Who said Veera sir? That will go to Naresh sir. Why you are informed student tomorrow is holiday? Again the problem. So boss, I'm leave tomorrow. Okay. Better. Not holiday. I'm leave tomorrow. Why this error is? Invalid client. Key is wrong, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have given. Okay. So two reasons to give leave tomorrow. Sorry, take leave tomorrow. So my clients came from US. So they're conducting a meeting at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. In person we have to attend. So that's what, it's a mandatory one. That's what I'm taking 7:30 class. After complete 9, I will go. No, not technical things. Just the MD and all they came, right? Just they will discuss how is your work and all the planning projects and all to understand all. Not near. It will take 1.5 hour time. By the car, the traffic, it will take 1.5 hour time. Okay, next concept. Hyderabad is so packed, yeah. Especially working hours. Anyone is from Bangkok? I don't think so. Dubai, 3-4 persons are there. My office anniversary, they're planning Dubai or Bangkok. So that's what I'm saying. Dubai means I will meet 2-3 persons. Raj is also there. Kalyan is one person is there. Okay. Yeah, sure, sure. If I'll come, definitely I'll ping you. Okay. Next. Good place. Dubai is good place. Huh? Good for rich people. Anyway, my office will take care, right? So no problem. So relax, no tax in Dubai. Is it? No tax in Dubai. Wow. But in India, full tax. Okay, compared to US and Canada is better. In India is better. Here we can show something different claims and all, but there is no process in US, right? We should pay directly. Oh, good. Then we'll plan in Dubai. Full salary. Yeah. But yeah, nice Damodar. But T 250 rupees, right? They're not taking in the form of tax. They're taking in the form of direct currency. Nice. Better stay in India. Depends on where you stay. You know one thing? In India, tea cost also 400, 500 if you can go. Starbucks and all, right? Yeah, third wave and all. They're also taking 450 rupees for tea. But why we can go, why we are going to there? We can do work. Understand? They're providing some desk and all to just, that's what, okay. Wi-Fi also they are not providing nowadays. Hotspots we are using. They will provide some table and all, desk and all. So at least we can spend 1 or 2 hours. So okay, no problem. To 500, 600, we can give like that only. But e-cost by the way is worst. Okay. Ambience is good. That's what. Company laptop should not use public internet. We can use Wi-Fi, right? Hotspot. Even though we can use any internet, VPN should enable. VPN should be okay. Connect, then you can use. That's what client VPN. This concept is client VPN. Anywhere you can access. In this case, work from home. Okay, you are connecting your Wi-Fi or not? What is the problem to connect your Wi-Fi and shop Wi-Fi? Both are same or not? This logic don't sit. Huh? Which company is good to get in with AWS? Many companies are there in Hyderabad. Lakhs of companies are. Except Amazon, you can go anywhere. Amazon work-life balance is not good, guys. I got many offers from the Amazon. I rejected. Microsoft is good. Broad-based companies. Google also good, but not to go Amazon. For example, so many companies are there. How to say that? One company, two companies. Broad-based companies, you can try. Hmm? Yeah, correct. Raja always Azure. His focus is on immediately get a job, full amount can deposit without tax. Yeah, sure, Raj. My planning is for Azure only. After Terraform, I will take 2 classes on Jenkins. The 2 classes not for Jenkins, complete Jenkins. Just how to work with Jenkins with Terraform. The 2 classes. Jenkins combination of Terraform. Then go for Azure. Hmm? It will take time. Azure and then Maven and then Docker and then Kubernetes. Ansible also. 2 months is the target to complete the course. Coming 2 months. Okay. So February, right? March, April 25th, April 25th is the deadline. GCP at the last, maybe. I don't have any plans and all. Okay, let's go to dynamic block. One year, 6 months, depends on the project. Okay, dynamic block. So dynamic block also same process, whatever process we discuss. So how to call, we can use mostly this kind of iterations. Okay, let me show you this process. So experienced people, so please give reference to your team, help to your team first, then go for others. If possible, so if you give a good reference and all, they will never forget in their lives. If you give a good hands, good support and all, okay? So please do like that. So you can understand when you are doing trials also someone given help to you so that you got a job. Don't forget that. Give to same. We are taking help, so we can give help. We can give help to someone. That will balance. Okay. Yeah. Dynamic process. Let's create a variable. So I'm going to share today Terraform test series question paper, part of test series. You can try whatever you know. So, and please add, please, I'm giving time. Don't worry. Take 1 week time. And add few questions also. If you want to give any something adding and all, respect over. I'm still finishing in guitar. No problem. At least you are in the good direction, right? At least you are doing something, yeah. Okay. So guys, if you can see, we are using dynamic block. Dynamic block for what? Ingress rules. Dynamic block for egress rules. I'm calling from where dot ingress rules means, see, default 80, 22, same process, right? Again, 443. So here I'm declaring the different header. I can declare no, right or not? So I'm calling where dot ingress rules. This is the content. Ingress dot value from the port, ingress dot value to the port, ingress dot value to the protocol, ingress dot value for the CIDR block. I'm calling 4, right? From port, ingress dot value from the port, ingress rules dot value to the port, ingress rules dot protocol, ingress rules dot CIDR block. This is for loop, right? First it will run, next it will run, next it will run. Like that, it will work. So how to call? Content of ingress values means only this only, right? Calling like that. So these values calling from different in the same variable, different ingress rules. Same value, different ingress rules means how many ingress rules are there here? How many ingress rules are there? 3, right? So this will run 3 times. So this will apply for 3 ingress rules. Okay, ingress rules are iterations. Ingress rules are iterations for each is there, right? Ingress rules will work 3 times. Each time it will take first variable, second time, second variable, third time, third variable. See, first time it will take, second time it will take, third time it will take. If different conditions. Okay. Yeah, you can. That's what I'm saying. This is fourth approach. First approach, directly add inbound rules, outbound rules, ingress and outbound. Second is for loop. Third is for loop with key value. This one is dynamic. We have a different process. You can use anything. For each we are using here number of rules, right? This will work. I mean, for each here, this content will work for each block. each block here. So for loop you can use in the list in the same string. We use right here. Where is example 2, 3? This one. Oh, that one is deleted. One is. See here for only for in the list. Okay, let me rename here example 1 only. So you can use any process. We have a number of process. So you can use anything. Clear? Okay, let me push this code. So today you can work on multi regions, multi account, multi profiles. You can use different SG rules and all. Yeah, dynamic values calling from dynamic block. So open to false, I will explain. Third party tool like Terraform, same, no difference. 1% only difference. I will show the difference also. Any questions, guys? You can ask if you're having any questions. Spend more time only. If you're working professional already, you can spend more time. Yeah. Hello. Tell me hello, hello. I mean, if there is a 4 task, how to efficiently manage time and finish all 4. That depends on your existing work. Of course, we need to learn this code in real time. Learn means what? Your question, learn or write? No need to write. Did I write this code now? Same, you can also do like that. Don't ask. Okay. Your existing work, by the way, you already shared right here. Something related to big data platform. Manage, compromise any other works. Too much, huh? Okay, then bye. So we don't have class tomorrow. I'm leave. Once again, I'm saying I'm leave. No holiday. I'm leave. Any organization, they are using ChatGPT, Terraform official register only. No one will write code from the scratch. Bye bye.